Welcome back. Anne Bordeaux here with First Class Property Solutions. Today, we're covering 3 mistakes first-time house hackers make in Oklahoma City. Quick tip, big impact. Let's go. House hacking usually means living in one part of a property while renting out another. It can be a smart way to lower your housing expenses and begin building wealth, but only when the numbers and the property make sense. Mistake number 1 is underestimating repair costs. A property may look like a great deal until you discover an older roof, plumbing problems, electrical issues, or deferred maintenance. Always get a professional inspection. Understand the condition of the major systems and keep money set aside for unexpected repairs. Budget for the true cost before you buy. Mistake number 2 is ignoring financing and cash flow. Do not look at the rent alone. Calculate your full mortgage payment, property taxes, insurance, maintenance, utilities, possible vacancies, and any other monthly expenses. The rent may help cover your payment, but it cannot magically turn bad numbers into a good investment. If the numbers do not work, the deal does not work. Mistake number 3 is choosing the wrong property or location. Look at the layout, parking, privacy between units, neighborhood demand, and how easily the property may rent. A lower-priced duplex is not automatically a bargain if tenants do not want to live there. Getting this right in Oklahoma City matters because neighborhoods and rental demand can vary greatly from one area to another. Insurance, repairs, and property condition can also change your numbers quickly. Oklahoma City can be a great market for house hacking, but you still need to buy smart. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I post real Oklahoma City market information every week. I'm Anne Bordeaux with First Class Property Solutions. Call or text me at 405-902-0262 or visit fcpsok.com. Let's make it happen.